Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we will solve exercise 16a. In questions 1 to 10, write down the number of new pence in p-pound. So we know that 1 pound is actually 100 new pence. So we can say what will be the p-pounds? P-pounds will be 100 multiplied by p new pence. So that will be the answer of number 1. Number 2 says pounds in Q new pence. So if 1 pound is 100 pence, then we can say 1 new pence will be 1 by 100 pounds. So by using this one, we can say then Q pence will be Q by 100 pounds. Q by 100 pounds. Very simple. Number 3 says minutes in dead hours. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60. So therefore we can write dead hours will be 60 multiplied by dead. So 60 dead minutes. Simple. Now number 4. What does number 4 says? Number 4 says hours in m minutes. So we have to find out in this way. If we know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, then 1 minute will be 1 by 60 hours. Therefore, we can say m minutes will be m by 60 hours. That is very simple. Now, number 5. Number 5 says millimeters in x centimeter. We know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So by using this formula, we can say x centimeter will be 10 multiplied by x millimeter. Number 6 says centimeters in y millimeters. So if 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, then 1 millimeter will be 1 by 10 centimeter. So we can write in this way, y millimeter will be y by 10 centimeter. Now number 7. Number 7 says centimeters in f decimeter. So we know that 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. So f decimeter will be 10 multiplied by f, that means 10f centimeters. Now number 8. Number 8 says decimeters in L centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 10 decimeter by using this formula. So we can say L centimeter will be L by 10 decimeter. Very simple. Now our last 2 problems, number 9 and number 10. Number 9 says seconds in Y hours. So we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Now we have to convert this minute into second. How? We know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Then we can write 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So if 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds, then Y hours will be 3600 multiplied by Y. So 3600 Y seconds. Then number 10. Number 10 will be hours in S second. So if 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds, then 1 second will be 1 by 3600 hour. Then we can write S second will be S by 3600 hours. So in this way, we can solve number 1 to 10 very easy. The question says find the number of centimeters in y plus 3 meter. So we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So what will be the y plus 3 meter? Y plus 3 meter will be 100 multiplied by y plus 3 centimeter. So if you multiply, then you will get 100 y plus 300 centimeter. Number 12 says, find the number of new pence in Z plus 2 pounds. We know that 1 pound is actually 100 new pence. So what will be Z plus 2 pounds? That will be 100 multiplied by Z plus 2 pence. So just multiply. Then you will get 100 Z plus 200. Now number 13. Number 13 says find the number of pounds in 20Z plus 40 new pence. So we know that from the previous math, that is 1 pound is actually 100 new pence. Then what will be 1 pence? 1 pence will be 1 by 100. Now, what will be the 20Z plus 40 new pence? If you want to convert this pence into pounds, well, 20Z plus 40 pence will be pound. Just you have to multiply this one with 1 by 100. That will be 20Z plus 40 by 100. So now we have to divide. We can divide in this way. You know, we can take common 20. So it should be 20 into Z plus 2 divided by 100. Now we can divide. We can divide 100 by 20. It will be 5. So we can say our final answer should be Z plus 2 by 5 pounds. Now, number 14. Number 14 says find the cost of 8 kg of sugar at 1, 12 new pence per kg, and number 2, x new pence per kg. So 14.1. So we know that cost of 1 kg of sugar is 12 pence. So what will be the final answer? So cost of 8 kg of sugar will be 12 multiplied by 8 pence. And that will be 12 multiplied by 8, that is 96 pence. Now, number 2. Number 2 says we have to find out the cost of 8 kg of sugar at x new pence per kg. So we can write cost of 1 kg of sugar, 1 kg of sugar is x new pence. So what will be the cost of 8 kg of sugar? And that will be 8 multiplied by x pence. So answer will be 8x pence. Very simple. Now, number 15. Number 15 says, find the distance James walks in 2 hours at 4 km per hour and y km per hour. So we know one rule, that is distance equal to speed into time. Distance equal to speed into time. So by using this formula, we can easily solve this one. So how can you solve it? Look, here at first distance equal to speed. Speed means here 4 km per hour. So 4 multiplied by 2, that will be 8 km. And number 2 says y km per hour. So what will be the distance? Distance will be y multiplied by 2 km, and that will be 2y km. Simple thing. Now number 16. Number 16 says there are 16 people in a bus. How many are left if 4 get off? Number 1. And number 2, get off. If 4 get off, that means 4 people are leaving the bus. That means we have only 12 people in the bus right now. Very simple. Just you have to subtract 4 from 16. So number of people will be 16 minus 4. That is 12. Very simple. And what will be number 2? If Z people get off, then number of people will be 16 minus Z. Very simple. Now, number 70. Number 70 says there are 400 pupils in a school. If 250 are boys, how many are girls? If there are X boys, how many girls are there in the school? There are 400 pupils in a school. So if 250 are boys, so total students 400. So number of boys are 250. So therefore we can write number of girls are 400 minus 250. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 150. Simple. That means number of girls are 150. And if there are X boys, so we can write now number of boys are right now X. Then how many girls are there in this school? Simple. Just we have to subtract. Therefore, number of girls are 400 minus X. After subtracting this one, we can easily find out the solution of number 17. Now, number 18. Number 18 said, Dean works 8 kilometers. Find the time she takes if she works at 4 kilometers per hour at 3 kilometers per hour. So, we have to find the time right now. So, from number 16, we already know that distance equal to speed into time. So, what will be the time? Time will be distance divided by speed. So, by using this formula, we can easily solve number 18. Number 18. Number 1, time equal to distance by speed. So, by using this formula, we can easily solve. At number 1, 4 kilometers per hour, that is the speed. And 8 kilometers, that is the distance. So, answer will be 8 by 4 hour. So, if we divide 8 by 4, it will be 2 hours. Now, number 2. Number 2, similar way, time equal to distance divided by speed. What is the distance right now? 8 kilometers. And what is the speed? 3 kilometers per hour. So, 8 by P will be the answer of number 2. That means 8 by P hour will be the answer of number 2. Simple. Now, next one. Now, number 19 and number 20. We have only 2 problems left in this chapter. A stick is 10 centimeters long. Find the length of the remaining piece if 2 centimeters, Q centimeters is cut from it. Very simple. How can you solve it? 19, 1. So, what is the total length of the stick? So, total length is equal to 10 centimeters. So, number 1, if we cut 2 centimeters from it, then what will be left? Remaining length will be 10 minus 2, that will be 8. Okay. So, if we cut 2 centimeters from it, if we cut 2 centimeters from it, that means sticks, then remaining length will be 10 minus 2 centimeters. That will be 8 centimeters. Simple. This is number 1. And if we cut 2 centimeters right now, what will be the final answer? Number 2, remaining length will be, just we have to cut. Number 2, remaining length will be 10 minus Q centimeter. Simple. Now, last problem, number 20. Number 20 says, a room is 40 meters square in area. Find the area remaining uncovered if a carpet is laid of area 30 meters square. Number 2, a meter square. So how can you solve this one? So the question says actually a room is 40 meters square in area. So we can just draw this one. Suppose this is 40 meters square. This is the room and this area, that is 40 square meter. Okay. So we can write this is 40 square meter. Now Find the area remaining uncovered if a carpet is laid of area. So now we have to lay the carpet. So suppose this one is the carpet. And what is the area of this carpet? Simple. Area of this carpet is 30 meters square. So here area of carpet is 30 meters square. Then what will be the remaining part? Remaining part means this red color portion. That means you have to subtract 30 from 40. Then we get the final answer. That is 10. So this part will be actually 10 square meter. Okay. That means you have to subtract 30 meters square from 40 meters square. So now we have to complete our answer. How can you complete it? Area of the room. Area of room is 40 square meter. Now, number 1, remaining area will be remaining area will be 40 minus 30 square meter. That is 10 square meter. Similar way, if I want to find out the number 2, how can you solve it? We can write similar way. Remaining area will be 40 minus 8 square meter. And that is the solution of number 3. That is very simple. So in this way, we can solve this chapter very easily. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.